Hello YouTube family, welcome back again. In the first part, we have seen that some required things to upgrade MIDI firmware in the Arduino board. So, as I said in the part 1, we need some tools like Arduino IDE and flip tool from Atmel, and we need some Arduino code and hex files. So MIDI hex file and serial hex files. We need both hex files, and then for visual purpose I am opening device manager. Okay, device manager is opened. Now I am connecting uh, Arduino board to my laptop. You can see that sound, video and game controllers is not listed any MIDI device or any other Atmel 16U2 devices. You can see the whole device list. Now I am connecting uh, Arduino board. I have connected Arduino board and it's shown as Arduino MIDI under game controllers. Now, as I said before in the first part 1 video, I am shorting the reset and ground pins. I have shorted reset and ground pins. Just do not keep shorted. Just touch and release the two pins. Now we can see that lib USB Win32 devices at Mega 16U2 device is here, and we are burning serial firmware into this IC using flip tool. Go to file, go to load. You can download hex files from the internet. If you want, I will post links in the description box. So still, if you have any doubts, please comment your doubts in the comment box. I will reach you soon and I will respond instantly. So select Arduino USB serial at Mega 16U2 Mega 2560 revision 3.hex. Click on OK, click on USB open. Now the port is opened. The lights in the Arduino board, transmitter and receiver lights are light up, and here the board is this Atmega 16U2 IC is ready for receiving hex file. Click on run. So this tool has performed erase function, program and verified, and it shows verify pass message here. So now you just disconnect and reconnect again the Arduino board. Focus on device manager. I will maximize it. You can see that Atmega 16U2 is still here under lib USB with the devices. Now I am disconnecting. You can see that device is disappeared, and do not look under sound, video and game controllers when we reconnect it again back. Now we can see another new category is listed here, which is ports. Under ports we can see that Arduino Mega 2560 with communication port 4 is listed here. Now Arduino Mega 2560 is ready to receive code from Arduino IDE. Okay, right? Click on compile. As I said before, you have to include MIDI libraries in your code. Okay, Now it is compiling. So for the first time it takes time to compile the code, whatever the code and whatever the size of the code. For the first time it takes some time to compile, as it is checking for board dependencies, libraries, and some other syntaxes, some other compatibility issues. So all these things needs to be verified before compiling a code for specific board, right? uh, so it is taking time. Sometimes the Arduino IDE is checking for updates in the background, so it can also cause some delays in the operations. Meanwhile, we will see Arduino hex files. So for you, I will show you how to use a flip tool. Go to File, click on Load File. So here we are having three files. Out of three, two files are serial files. This is for Mega and this is for sorry, this is for Mega revision 3. This is for Mega 16U2 normal board serial firmwares. These two are serial firmwares. One is revision 3 firmware, one is old board firmware. This is MIDI firmware. Okay, click on revision 3 firmware, okay, and click on USB icon, click on USB, open, click on open. So I don't want to click on open now because this Arduino IDE is communicating right now with the Arduino board. If we still click open, it throws an error message. Okay, cancel, minimize. Um, so it is taking too much time. Sorry for the delay, guys. But be patient. Patience. Have some patience. I will show you the proof of second time compilation. As I said before, the first time compilation needs some time to check all the operations, and I will do a recompile again to show you that the second time compilation is very quick and fast. Meanwhile, let us see the code. So this is the advanced code. Here we have LED 13 is defined, 8 pads are defined, channel 1 defined, and the time between the two hits of the pad is 30 milliseconds. You can see the debounce time 30 in milliseconds, 30 milliseconds. And we have created a default instance here. Sensitivity, I have set the sensitivity maximum as 1500, minimum input range 350, threshold value, and we can uh, assign note values to 8 pads. I have assigned 54 to 61. Here we are using direct MIDI. So serial begin 115200 is commented out. and MIDI begin is activated. So like this we are having some code. Let me reopen this. It's irritating, guys. Open res. Let me compile it now. Actually, it was never happened to me. I too don't know why it is happening right now. I will close Arduino IDE and restart again. So you can see that the system is very other than this Arduino IDE, everything is working great. Some more actions are having some delay. Okay, and right, IDE open. Yes, I think it can compile now. Let us wait and watch. Right, it started compiling sketch. I don't know why it was hanged in the last time. So as we see the status, compiling sketch status, it has completed and it shows done compiling. Now go to tools, port, select Arduino Mega port, tools, board, make sure to select correct board here. AVR boards, Arduino Mega 2560 selected. Click on upload button. So we know that when we click on upload, it recompiles the code and directly it uploads the code to the board. So it is uploading and you can see the message, reading, verifying. Here we can see the writing also, writing, then reading and verifying. We are to done. Thank you. So we can see the process here, status of the process. It shows done uploading. Right now the Arduino board main IC is having uh, MIDI code, but the bridge, I mean the driver, is having serial data. Let us check. Okay, I will show you in the next video. It may confuse you. Now go to flip file, load Arduino MIDI h.hex file, click on open. Now reshort, I mean you need to short again the two pins ground and reset. So I have resetted. I will show you this device manager. Again the ports category is disappeared, and libusb Win32 devices category is appeared under it shows Atmega 16U2 under this category. Right now, we need to click on this USB icon, USB open. Now, the board and the 16U2 IC is ready to receive hex file from flip tool. Click on run. You can see that it performed erase option, program verify, and it shows verify pass. Okay, now go back to device manager again, disconnect and reconnect it again. You can see that sound, video, and game controllers Arduino MIDI. Right, I think you got the point. So uh, in summary, I will show you in a short and sweet method. Okay, first of all, open Arduino IDE, compile the code, upload the code. Right, then short the reset and ground pins. Then open flip tool, go to file, load. Now already our board is having serial data. Now click on Arduino MIDI. Okay, then click on this USB icon, click on USB, click on open. Okay, right now I didn't started the ports, so for you I will start these two buttons here now. Okay, you can see that we can click on run. Right, it has performed erase function, program verify, and it shows verify pass. Now we can see that uh, disconnect, reconnect. You can see that Arduino MIDI is here. So like this we can upload Arduino codes and open hex files, uploading hex files to Arduino board using Arduino IDE and flip tools from the Atmel. I hope you got the point. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will reply and I will respond to you instantly. And do not hesitate to ask your doubts. It will encourage me to make more videos so that you can clear your doubts about Arduino drums. And sorry for the delays in these two videos. I too don't know uh, why this happens in these videos. So right, please like this video if you found this video is helpful to you, and share with your friends who are looking for stuff like this. And please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. Bye, have a nice day.